All right, for your next gathering, this is for indoors, but it's a nice little bar setup that you can have in any corner, your man cave. Or if you have it in the living room, you have extra tables, extra spots, you can set this up. I want to show you something real simple. These are longer chairs, all right? If you guys notice, the heights are a little longer than regular chairs, so you are going to need either to stand or to sit on a higher stool. Now, one of the great things about it has a large body on the top, real estate that you could set up pretty much anything in here on the top. Your favorite snacks, your treats, pretty much anything, even your drinks. All right. Now, one of the things that was the most difficult things to build was the actual door, and it's not because it's made of wood or anything like that. It's because it didn't want to get on the rail. So if you're gonna have issues with that, that's where you're gonna run into the issue. The only problem we had. It took us about an hour to set this up. Instructions were very intuitive, very simple to read them, go through the whole thing. The whole entire thing was very simple to put together, other than this that we needed help. Now, this one does need some lubrication. They do include like a soap, but you could add your own. If you guys can see on the rail system, it's all made of wood. What you need to do is train this, roll this up, roll it up, let it get trained, and then you start using it. Now, you have enough space here in the first layer, in the first tier, where you could put your cups in here. You could set up your drinks in here, but you got to push the cups all the way to the back. You could set up to 4 cups, 4 champagne cups, or any kind of cups that you could hang. Now, on the bottom, if you guys can see, you have plenty of room for more alcohol. But right now, we only have 2 bottles in there. You could put maybe 4 or 5 of them. Very stable all around it, so it's not going to trip. Very simple. If somebody runs in here across and hits this whole entire thing, nothing's going to shake. It has a lot of weight in the bottom, all right, and light on the top. So anybody can sit here and enjoy their meals or their drinks, and you don't have to worry about this thing falling over or tilting over. One of my favorite things is you could be discreet and hide the entire thing with the actual closure that you have here, and then open it up. So if you guys are looking for a little small bar for 3 or 4 people, hope you guys enjoy this video.